मुझे लग रहा है आपको ये एक्सरसाइजेस करने में मजा आ रहा है ना? चलिए अब हम चुनेंगे सही preposition.
I think you are enjoying doing these exercises, right? Good. Now we will pick up the correct prepositions for the following sentences. Prepositions include words like on, in, at, while, during, since, until and for. You have to apply the correct one in the proper sentences. For example, my work starts at 8 p.m. So, let's start.
My birthday is May, in, on, at.
My birthday is in May.
He'll be away next month. Since, at, until.
He'll be away until next month.
The exam is 15th of May. In, on, at.
The exam is on 15th of May.
I have dinner home, in, at, on.
The correct preposition in this sentence is at. I have dinner at home.
In America, they give each other presents. Christmas Eve, in, on, at.
On is the correct answer. In America, they give each other presents on Christmas Eve.
The lecture finished 5:30. At, on, in.
The lecture finished at 5:30.
I dislike it when people phone me. I'm sleeping. During, while, for.
I dislike it when people phone me while I'm sleeping.
The term is from June, March. At, for, to.
The correct answer is the last option. The term is from June to March.
She hasn't worked. She lost her last job. Since, for, by.
She hasn't worked since she lost her last job.
The car won't be ready Friday. Until, in, since.
The car won't be ready until Friday. You must see Ladakh, winter, in, on, at. You must see Ladakh in winter. In is the correct word to use.
Snow generally falls February. In, on, at.
Snow generally falls in February.
Did I miss anything? I was on the phone. While, during, for.
Did I miss anything while I was on the phone?
I have classes Mondays and Wednesdays. In, on, at.
I have classes on Mondays and Wednesdays.
He didn't do the work. His boss got angry. Since, for, until.
What is the correct answer? Until. He didn't do the work until his boss got angry.
She was off work a fortnight. For, at, in.
She was off work for a fortnight.
Nobody spoke. The film. During, since, on.
What is the correct answer? During. Nobody spoke during the film.
It is always colder November than September. On, in, at.
It is always colder in November than September.
Their first child was born. The spring. On, at, in.
The correct preposition is their first child was born in the spring.
I've known him a long time. Since, for, at.
For. That is the right answer. I have known him for a long time.
We celebrate Teachers' Day, the 5th of September. On, in, at.
We celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September.
They will deliver 2 weeks. At, within, by.
The correct answer is the second option. They will deliver within 2 weeks.
I will see you 10 o'clock. At, on, in.
I will see you at 10 o'clock.
She died 1993. On, in, at.
She died in 1993.
We made lots of friends. We were in Sydney. During, while, since.
We made lots of friends while we were in Sydney.
Medha was born 1985. At, on, in.
Medha was born in 1985. In. That's correct.
Her birthday is June. In, on, at.
The first option is correct. Her birthday is in June.
I leave home very early. Morning. On, at, in.
I leave home very early in the morning.
We left Monday. At, on, for.
What is the correct answer? We left on Monday.
She's going on a holiday. April. In, at, on.
She's going on a holiday in April.
I'll be working the summer holidays. On, during, while.
I'll be working during the summer holidays.
She'll be here a moment. In, on, at.
She'll be here in a moment.
Their wedding is the 11th of July. In, on, at.
Their wedding is on the 11th of July.
I worked there 5 years. Since, for, in.
I worked there for 5 years.
I haven't seen her. April. Since, for, during.
I haven't seen her since April.
The film starts 8 o'clock. In, on, at.
What is the correct answer? The film starts at 8 o'clock.
Please keep quiet. The performance. During, by, in.
Please keep quiet during the performance.
The train left. Time. On, at, to.
The train left on time.
The results will be out July. On, in, at.
The results will be out in July.
Just a few more questions left. There is a public holiday, the 1st of May, on, in, at.
There is a public holiday on the 1st of May.
I didn't get a chance to speak. The meeting. During, for, while.
I didn't get a chance to speak during the meeting.
Traffic is terrible. Peak hours. In, at, during.
Traffic is terrible during peak hours.
She left her job. August. In, on, at.
She left her job in August.